At Winchester, we value very much on students' experience, learning experience. And we always believe that if we can link the theory to the practice, that will help students to learn more. And this trading room is set up purposely to let students to link and apply what they have learned in their theory from the textbook to the real world. And we have been using Finance Lab for many years. And this year we upgraded to Finance Lab Pro. Okay. We found that this is fantastic because the interface is very easy to understand and students can learn to pick it up very, very fast. And Winchester is the champion school of United Nations Principles for Responsible Management Education. And Finance Lab Pro can fit in the value very well. For example, we aim to develop responsible investor, responsible finance specialist. And with the new features, like for example, the short selling, we can actually see how students behave to become a responsible trader, stock trader. So this software is fantastic. We can also see how the students behave that fit into one of our topic, behavioral finance. Psychologically, when they are panicked, when they see the share prices going down or going up. So all these are very interesting real world virtual environment simulation that Finance Lab Pro offer us.
Well, currently I'm holding 2 technology companies at quite a high price, about £200,000 at each. They're doing very well currently, so I'm hoping that they keep on rising as they are right now, and sell all in one go as soon as the price starts going down, so I get the maximum. I'm holding also an airline company, which is problematic. I should not have bought it earlier on because airline companies are very volatile. They sometimes do well and most of the time they do badly, and now I'm stuck with minus 2% on my original price. I also have a short position of about £100,000 against a gambling company. And right now, according to the news, gambling is seeing a lot of legislation, so it's losing a lot of worth. So hopefully, at the end of the day, I'll be able to close my short position and make a small profit from that.
My fund at the moment, I've got 543,173, and I was able to achieve this initially by I identified stocks that I thought were very, very high. So I put like a buy limit on them. As they started to come down, I bought some and then I short sell them, so that when they started dropping, I then did the buyback. So I managed to make a profit of that. And then there were also some stocks that I thought were like undervalued. So again, I bought some of that, and then I was keeping an eye on the news as well at the same time. So if any positive news comes up, I would monitor that stock. As soon as it started going up in reflection to the news, I would buy some. So I've managed to build 6 portfolios in total. 6 investments in total, and they all seem to be going quite well.
I've used short selling for companies that they have a bad news. So because as I said before, it's a weak, the efficiency of the market, I think it's weak. I got the price decreased after I short sold it based on the news. So I could have profits through that and increase my fund. So it was a good strategy, I think, based on that.
I've noticed that a news report can really affect the price of the stock. Usually what I do is I buy defensive companies which grow slowly, and then I sell them in small amounts as they continually grow. This way I can get the best amount while still selling in case I wait too long and the price drops.